Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you the answer for the second clue in Steam Summer Sale 2022. So let's go find it, and we'll be looking for the Custard Castle Small Claims card, and it should be located in a God game. And now let's just try scrolling down and finding the game. If we can't find it here, let's just go for the Colony Sim as well. It might be here as well. And here it is, the first answer. So click me. And here we have it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.